Yes, sir.
All right. Now, when it comes to setting the high ticket deal, the fifth and the final, and probably the most important thing, you need to create the vision. You have to create the vision from their problem to their goal without any objections along the way. Objections, objects. Paint it like a road. We're going to have a starting point at the house. Go straight, then we're going to turn. We'll make a right turn because you have a question. I know it. There's going to be a branch there. We have to overcome that branch. And then what's going to happen is when that branch has to be overcome, we're gonna then go left. And then what's going to happen is you're going to turn around for a second. You're going to think the path is back that way. But I promise you, though, we're going to get to the very end together. And we're going to get there better. We're going to get there 2.0. Because what you have now is because of who you are. You want more, we are going to become more. But the only way we can is if we see all those branches in the road together along the way. And those branches are good. Those are called growth branches. They're there to help us, not harm us, I promise. It's the clear roads that harm us the most. We fall into the quicksand at that point. You don't know that? It's so clear. There's just fucking quicksand traps. Someone else put that trap there to have you think that that way was easier. Hence 9 to 5. Hence working for somebody. Hence security. That's the fucking clear path. That's where everyone went down. And that's where you fall, because there's a quicksand trap that's covered in a very thin layer of leaves. And as soon as you step foot in there, down that path, you get stuck. Can you create the vision for people like that? I don't want to get stuck. I'm trying to be free. Because after those few branches, guess what? It's an open fucking field. And now it's your oyster. And you get to build whatever you want. Anything that you want when you become better. So can you create the vision like that? Can you give them the emotional vision from getting from their problems to their goal?